Hi, George. Hi, George. George, hi. George, hi.
All right, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got another one from Zenpop. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. Tonkatsu, Muttershan, special range. Let's do it. It's from Japan. Yes. So, yeah. We've got some... Maybe this is the one with the bok choy and menma. I think that might be the deal. So I just reviewed one for the last show that was, what do you call it? Barbecue chicken Batman flavor. Kind of strange. We got these two, and we got 5 minutes. Right. So we'll let that relish in its fervent way. This is the non-used one. This one gets to go on top. Take a ride as a lid. So yeah, I'm just beat to crap. Did a lot of walking yesterday. That was nice. Did a bit of walking today. It's just been rainy, humid, and warm. Like between 50 and 55 degrees and just saturated. It's gross. It's like muggy as muggy can get around here. And that's tiring. But yeah. Yeah, I hate to tell you folks, but the Ramen Raider is down in the mouth currently. Very tired, very burnt on everything. But remember, this show was done in, what is it? It's Friday the 13th. It's January 13th, 2023. So, wherever it is, you're probably what? Well, the last one I did was like May. Is it like getting later in May? 20th, probably like the 16th or 17th of May. That's my guess, but I could be wrong. It could be further along than that. But once done with these, I believe I'll have done 12 reviews this week, which doesn't seem right because I skipped. Didn't I skip yesterday? Or was it the day before? I did skip a day. Maybe that was yesterday. I'm pretty sure it was. Anyways, yeah, Monday I did 2, Tuesday I did 3, Wednesday I did 3, and Friday I'm doing 3, so 9. Maybe I only did 11 in this week. That's pretty good though. That's quite a few. I think this will be review number 4,524. It's a lot. Yeah. It is a lot. That's cool. I will crank them all out continuously until I run out. Luckily, I was pretty close to running out, and my buddy over at exoticnudes.com, go to exoticnudes.com and check out their subscription boxes and all their stuff. I think the coupon code The Ramen Raider might do something there still. I'm not positive. But my buddy Dan, he was like, hey, I found some new things you might want to check out. I'm like, oh, thank you. Perfect timing. It's tricky because it's like, I tell you guys, oh man, I'm out of noodles, but you're not getting that message until way farther out from now. But I don't know, the way I've been reviewing lately, like I'll take a week and I'll do like, God, I've had weeks where I've done like 20 reviews in a week. I think the most I've ever done in a week was, or 7, I think like a full 7 days. I think one time when there was nobody here, like my wife and the kids were out of town, and that was a long time. I don't know. I remember in one short span of time, I did like almost 60 reviews in like less than 10 days. I was just like, yep. But that was before Instant Noodle Recipe Time existed, I'm pretty sure. Because I've done like 4,500 some odd reviews. However, there isn't even 2,000 episodes of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. So, but the train keeps a rolling, ladies and gentlemen, and a rolling. Big news this week is that Biden had a whole bunch of documents, not like a lot, but enough, And what's kind of funny is there was a guy who tweeted, I heard this on the David Pakman show, he just played this tweet. And they took the document thing and compared it to shopping. Biden goes shopping, he leaves, the tower beeps, and then he realizes, oh, I didn't pay for that. And he comes back, brings it into the store, and pays for it. Trump was leaving the store, the tower beeps, and he runs for his car as fast as he can. I thought that was a pretty good way of, because of course, all the Republicans are like, hey, see, he did it too. But it's like, well, not exactly the same kind of thing we got going on here now, is it? It's a little bit different. A little bit. Something called intent. But guess what? All those documents, where are they going? Where they belong. Is our president embarrassed? Of course he is. Is our old president embarrassed? No. Absolutely not. That guy is just like, they were mine. But they were mine. It was mine. Mine. Yeah. It's no secret. I think Trump is a douchebag, and I think that's probably a pretty common way to look at things these days. I don't know. There's a lot of people that still like him. But I don't know. There was some kind of weird aerosol that went out in the air about, I don't know, a few years ago, and I think it made people act like morons because it's working. If there's such a thing. These noodles look good. This might be the little thing today that makes me extra happy and feel as if I can go on in a society of crazy people. Look at that noodle. It said it took 5 minutes. I was thinking, like, this isn't a fancy noodle, but I can tell by the wiggle. Look at that. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Yeah. Noodle's nice. Okay. Broth's not, excuse me, broth's not bad either. It does have, I'll have to give that another taste. Let's give that another try. A little bit of crisp vegetable stuffs and things. Yeah, I find it compelling, interesting, and not at all rude. I'm okay with this one. In fact, that might be one of the best Zen Pop ones I've had recently. But honestly, maybe it's not a tonkatsu. I want to say it's like a yuzu thing going on here. What time is it? 2:37? Is it really 2:37? That would be great. See? Round in the corner. Getting happy now. Happy little noodles. But yeah, I think it maybe I'm coming out of the spiral. coming to a better place. You can't really see that so well, can you? Yeah, I can't even tell you how many times I've taken out the freaking trash in the last couple days, ladies and gentlemen. It's just like, man, I really did not understand the puppy thing. Oh yeah, puppy, they're cute. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. But they are babies, and babies are a lot of work. Nothing wrong with babies. It's not their fault. They're new. But yeah, I've just been playing this constant, like, not really devil's advocate, but just kind of like, how do I validate this whole puppy thing? How do I stay sane while the puppy is crapping on the floor? And there's got to be a way to do it, but I'm still, what's the word, grokking for that ability. Because, I mean, she could still go away, but I don't want to be that guy. I really don't. How can you get grumpy at a puppy? It's not its fault. I was just trying to be nice, make my family happy. What do I end up with? Poop on the floor. My brother told me a kind of funny joke. Yeah, it was pretty funny. So this guy sends his son to college, and his son comes back with an engineering degree. Everybody's very proud. And he says, "Dad, look what I built." He's like, "What is it?" He's like, "Look at this. You put an animal in one end and push this button, see? And out of the other end comes, ready, a hot dog. You know what?" says the father. "Your mother's kind of like the opposite of that. We already have one of those. You put a hot dog in her and an animal comes out. Ba-doom boom." There you go. One of my brother's jokes. He was like, "It's a little off color." I'm like, "It's okay, I'm colorblind." But yeah. I told my wife that. She just groaned. I'm like, "Yep. That's a groaner." She actually had a joke that she wanted me to tell him so bad because it was a super groaner joke. So here, let me rinse this out and get some water boiling, and I'll tell it to you. How'd that joke go? Oh yeah. So, do trees poop? Where do you think number 2 pencils come from? Anyways, I think I'm getting there. Anyways, we got this Ace Cook one, another one from a Zen Pop box. This one's like a wonton chukasoba. So that'll be on the next episode of The Big Show. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.